Hello, back again. I know you're excited to see me. I was away for too long, a couple of days. Today I am going to show you our 2019 Auto Trail Apache 700. It's so big down here. No bang in your head. If you want to go have a nosy for all your spices. Let's take a look. Come on down in here and I'll show you the back lounge. It's so big down here and there's such a ton of storage. This makes up your first and second berth. This is a 6 berth, 6 belt. You have lovely lights down here. You have a built-in TV on a TV bracket just over here. If you want to see what this bed looks like, let me know. I have no problem showing you. You have your wardrobe space and your Truma heater down here. Now, this also comes with removable carpets as well. Here, your full-length fridge with a freezer compartment. Moving down into the main living area, you have your sink just there. You have your 3 gas hob and electric hot plate. You then have your separate grill and oven. And up above, you also have your built-in microwave there as well. Then here into your living space. This is your main dining area. Now, there is another table that you can put into that back lounge to make up as a main dining area. But this makes up your third and fourth berth. This also makes up a double bed. If you want to see that, let me know. Up above the cab, you then have your final double bed, and it just pulls out here and then that folds down. So it can be tucked away, no bang in your head. Have a nosy down into the cab there as well. You have a multifunctioning steering wheel as well as your multimedia system, your aircon, you have your cruise control. Now in here you have your bathroom set up and it has a separate shower in there if you want to go have a nosy. Now, as I mentioned, there is a ton of storage, as you can see around me. You know, you've got your space up here for your cups. You have a nice little funky cupboard down here for all your spices. Let me show you outside and the storage that you have there. So, back onto the outside, you do have your gas locker just in here, and that can hold 2 bottles there for you. You do have your full-length awning built in there above. Your welcome step, of course. Now, you do have some underfloor storage here. And that stretches away across, so if you want to take some skis, you have plenty of room. Around the back, you then have your spare wheel. And then your reverse camera up above. And that's really it for me, folks. I have missed a ton of spec. There is an outside shower here as well and an outside barbecue point. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle or any other details of other vehicles, you can contact me, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call 028 9269 3999 or drop a message and I'll pick them up as well, and I'll see you in the next video.